The Indianapolis Colts played against the Pittsburgh Steelers, so I guess I have to use this clip again.
What in the fuck? Are you dressed up like a bumblebee for? And why do you look like Indianapolis Jones?
But Danny Dimes was more Danny Nichols in that one. Plus, Jonathan Taylor and Tyler Warren both shit the bed. I'm not just saying that because I have them in fantasy. For that reason, and the fact that the rest of the Colts also dropped a big old stinker this week, they lost. But then it's like, who shit the bed most?
But it's not the poop. It's the mystery behind the poop.
Anyway, the Steelers won. Partially because of that steel curtain defense, which includes TJ Watt. I have him as an IDP in fantasy and love watching him play. Dude's a dog. But the offensive side of the ball wasn't great. Even though the Steelers won, DK Metcalf shit the bed. The rest of the offense did just enough to win,